Here's how to blur out or censor personal information in LumaFusion.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Load your footage into a project inside the main video track. It's best to have it in the main video track so that when you split and cut your clips, they snap back together easily. Here's the start of my tutorial on how to post to Facebook using an Android phone. I'm going to blur out the stories section since I'm not talking about it in this video. First, I'll move the playhead back to the beginning of the clip, then I need to duplicate this clip, so I'll tap on it to select it, and hit the duplicate icon from below. This will place a copy of the clip over top of the main video track. Make sure the two clips line up exactly, as the clip on top will be used to cover up the sensitive information you want to blur out. You can use the split functions to make sure that the transition on Facebook is removed. If you don't, the information you want to hide may become visible because the stories section, for example, will move up or down the screen. Tap the scissors to split both clips where you want them, then delete the unwanted parts by tapping on the garbage can icon. The video should snap back together easily. This will remove the transition on Facebook. Next, double tap the top clip to open the clip editor. Be sure that frame and fit is selected. Tap on it to select it, then tap cropping. Using the sliders, I'll crop the top and bottom of this video so that the stories section is surrounded by the yellow box. Once I'm done, I'll tap the back arrow to go back to the main video screen. Now I'm going to tap on the presets icon and select Gaussian 40. Notice that the section I covered up has now been blurred out. I'll play the video to see how it looks. That looks great. The stories section is covered up for that entire clip. Here I'm showing how to type the post on Facebook. When I'm done, I'll tap on Post after changing the background to make it a little more visible. You can see that I'll also need to blur out the clip on the end as well. So I'll repeat the process I just demonstrated. When you duplicate a clip at the end of a video, LumaFusion does not automatically place it over top of the clip, so you'll need to do that manually. That's why it's important, as I mentioned earlier, to make sure that the clips line up exactly, because the clip on the top will be used to cover up the stories section or other sensitive information. The clips are lined up. Now I'll edit them and delete the parts that I don't want. Then I'll Double tap the clip on the top and crop the video so that the stories section is covered. Anything outside the yellow box will be visible. I'll use the top and bottom sliders as shown. When I'm done, I'll tap on the back arrow, tap on the presets icon, and then choose the Gaussian blur once more. As you can see, the story section is now blurred out, and there's the post I put on Facebook. From time to time, it may be necessary to go back and adjust the crop. A portion of the story section is visible. To adjust the crop, double tap the clip on the top to open the clip editor. Split the clips where you want them and then delete the unwanted portions. Double tap the top clip and adjust the top portion of the clip so that the stories section is completely covered. The last thing I'll need to do is review the video once more to make sure everything looks the way that I want it to. Whenever I do this, I always edit as I go. Since I'll be using this video clip in an actual project, I need to make sure that it's perfect. That looks good. Now we go straight into the post. This is the part that I want to show. Here I'm typing the post. I'm just going to advance it ahead a little further to remove this person's name. I'll split the clip until the name disappears, and then I'll remove the middle section by tapping on the trash icon. Now when I play the video, you won't see the name. There's the post. To save your video, tap the share icon, tap movie, choose where you want to save it. Then tap the icon in the upper right hand corner. LumaFusion will begin writing the video. When it's done, you can include it in any project you like. Don't forget to click thumbs up if you like the video, or to click that notification bell so you can catch up every time I upload new content. If you have a problem or this doesn't work for you, leave a comment below so I can help you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.